Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Xbox 360 model and available space, because different consoles handle updates slightly differently. Once done, plug the console into a stable wall outlet and make sure your network is ready. A wired connection is best. If you're using a USB, format it FAT32 and copy the official update folder to the root. Now power on the console and sign into your profile. You're ready to trigger the system update from Settings. You navigate to Settings, then System, and select System Update to start the process. Choose Xbox Live for the simplest route or USB if offline. As the console downloads and installs, follow on-screen prompts to accept terms and confirm restarts. Once installation starts, make sure you do not interrupt power or eject the drive. Interruptions can corrupt system files. During this phase, monitor the progress bar closely. If it stalls, remain patient for a few minutes before taking action. You finish by letting the console reboot to the dashboard and then testing games, apps, and network connectivity to verify the update applied correctly. If the console fails to boot or shows errors, try the USB update method again, perform a system cache clear, or do a hard power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. If an error code appears, write it down. It guides the next step. Finally, make sure you retain the update files and remember one key tip: never interrupt power during installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.